A scheduled hearing has been set by a Georgia judge to investigate allegations of misconduct against Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. Scheduled for February 15th, the hearing comes in response to serious accusations that emerged last week. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee mandated that Willis provide a written response to the allegations by February 2nd. The allegations stem from a motion filed by Michael Roman, a co-defendant in an election interference case involving former President Donald Trump. Roman's motion seeks to disqualify Willis and dismiss the case, contending that she and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade have engaged in an improper, clandestine personal relationship during the ongoing case. According to the filing, this relationship has led to significant financial gains for both the special prosecutor and the district attorney, with taxpayers bearing the cost. The motion further claims that Willis personally benefited from a lucrative contract signed between the DA's office and Wade, including perks such as vacations and cruises. Public records reveal that Wade has received at least $653,880 for his work on the case, surpassing the compensation of other special prosecutors involved, as reported by WXIA-TV. While the filing lacks direct evidence, it repeatedly cites sources close to Willis and Wade as the foundation for these serious allegations. Roman's attorney, Ashley Merchant, has assured the presentation of concrete evidence in court, some of which is said to be found in Wade's sealed divorce proceedings from 2022. Importantly, Willis has been subpoenaed to provide a pre-trial deposition in Wade's divorce case. However, she filed a motion on Thursday arguing against the necessity of her testimony. Willis accuses Joycelyn Wade of obstructing the ongoing criminal prosecution, alleging a conspiracy with interested parties in the election interference case to misuse the civil discovery process against her. It's noteworthy that Willis's filing did not delve into the nature of the relationship between her and Wade, as observed by the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. In response to the scrutiny of her personal life, Willis attributes it to racial animus. The unfolding developments will likely shed more light on the allegations and their implications in the upcoming hearing. Fani Willis appears to have lost all credibility in the district attorney's office. Here is a clip of Fani Willis from 2020, where she says she would fire any employee who sleeps with a coworker, promises to not date anybody that works under her, and says it would be unfortunate if taxpayers had to fund sex misconduct lawsuits.
It is saddening to me if young women felt like they came to work and they were, one, even judged for being a woman, but two, if certainly they felt uncomfortable within the workplace. That will not be something that is allowed on my watch. Supervisors under my leadership that are not encouraging and building up my staff will not be supervisors long in my administration. And I certainly will not be choosing people to date that work under me. Let me just say that. We are at a place in society where things happen in people's relationships, husband and wife. Sometimes there are outside relationships. I don't think that that's what the community is concerned about, although there might be a moral breaking in that. I think that what citizens are really, really concerned about is if you chose to have inappropriate contact with employees. I mean, there's nothing that I can say on it other than it is distracting. It is certainly inappropriate for the #1 law enforcement officer in this state. And it really, really saddens me. And it will be very unfortunate if the taxpayers of this community have to pay for any of those lawsuits.
Exactly. That's the way I feel about it also.
Should Fani Willis be forced to resign? Let us know in the comments.